I found this little wooden slice. I believe you can get a bag of these at the Dollar Tree. You can also find them at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to start by painting the center with the Republic Red. I'm just scooting along the edge and just making sure I don't hit that outside rim. It does not have to be perfect. And I took some Snow Owl with a small art brush and made a few white lines and a few dots. And this is just going to give me some interest. So this is going to be really, really easy, guys. This is a 7 by 4.5 inch piece of wood that I had around the house. It was already stained. And I'm going to hot glue my wood piece to the center. And then I'm going to take a drill and I'm going to drill into the top of my piece of wood. I found these little squiggly sprays at Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99. They were 50% off, and they just tore apart pretty easily. And they were in the buffalo check. So I'm going to put some hot glue down the holes in the top of my block. And add my little squiggly sprays inside the holes. So you're going to need 2. I'm going to make 2 eyes at the top using a large round art brush with our black. And then just going to make a line right under the nose. I'm just going to brighten up the white on my nose just to make sure that it's filled in. And then I'm going to add a white dot in the middle of my black eyes. Now I took one of those evergreen twisties and I added it to the top and realized quickly that this was too small. I didn't remove it. I left it there and I grabbed a spray that was on a Dollar Tree ornament and it just had 2 little pieces of greenery, a piece of burlap, and 2 pine cones. And this filled the top in nicely. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.